Okay, I made this little program here to make a sort of PowerPoint like in a very few PowerPoint like a game, and I call it Pygamepoint because it's made with Pygame. And let me show you, it's a very simple script here. And we got this screen display of 800 for 600, so the images should be of 800 for 600, or you change this thing here. Then we have the title, and then we have this the list of the images here that I put them into this folder slides, and I got, you see here, these are just images, and I load list of images with glob all the images that are PNG files into this file, and then with this one, with this function, I just load all the images in with the pygame image.load so that they become um, surfaces in Pygame that we can use to show them on the screen. Then we have this main function here that is a classic, creates a classic windows for, so after we create the screen surface, we just do pygame init and font init, that we don't use any font, so this is not useful this time. We have a clock. Also, this is not so useful. You can put here a clock at a lower rate if you want to save um, some memory, things like that, because we don't need animation at the moment. Then we have our for loop down here. Before the loop, we have a counter to slide our images. So the slides counter is what I use to go to the next image, and when it goes to the last image here, it will go back to 0. And then we have the simple loop where we can quit the window, or we can, if we press a mouse button, it will go forward. If you press the arrow key, the right arrow key, you will go forward. If you press the left key, you will go back using, as I told you, this function here, so that I don't have to repeat this code here to go back and forward with the slides. Then we bleed the slides on the screen here, and we update the screen and eventually quit the game, quit the window. So let's see if it works. Here it is. This is the first image, so it goes following the number. So I call my images like 001, 002, etc. When I click the button, it goes to the second, slides and more. Then we have another. Pygame is useful for many things. It's not like our other programs that are just made to show text and images, but if used by Python coders, it can do nice things. It's up to your imagination. So when I go to this is the last image. When I click again, it will go back to the first one that is empty. I use this one as a template. I don't have to use always the mouse. I can use the left key and arrow key to go back. If I go back to the first one, it won't go further. If I go to the last one, it will go back to the first one. And just in case here you wanna, I use this program, that is freeware in any case. This is the first image that I use it, and I can write here welcome, so that is more clear when we have the first image. Now if I run again, you see here welcome, and okay, and this is the program. And maybe we could also add, for example, if I press the button 2, it could go backwards. Button 1, it could go on. um, I don't know if I remember how is the code for that. Maybe I will do an update later on. And for the moment, that's all, and see you next time. Hope you like this program. I made another one with Kinter too, but with Pygame, once you understand how it's going on, it's even easier, and we will make always some animation next time, some nice animations for our slides. So thank you, and see you next time.